क्या घूर क्या रही हो? सचमुच में मैं ही हूँ, देवेंद्र भोजानी। हम एक्टर्स ना अलग अलग भेज बदलते रहते हैं। तुम्हारे किसी वेल विशर ने कहा कि मैं तुम्हें विश करूं, जैसे मुझे किसी के कहने की जरूरत थी। मैं तो वैसे भी विश करने ही वाला था। हैप्पी बर्थडे आदित्य, हैव अ ब्लास्ट, हैव अ ब्लास्ट, हैव अ वंडरफुल ईयर एंड अ ब्यूटीफुल लाइफ अहेड। तुम जो भी चाहती हो वो सब कुछ तुम्हें मिल जाए, उससे भी ज्यादा मिले, ऐसा मैं चाहता हूँ। गॉड ब्लेस यू। टेक केयर आदित्य, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
अन्ना भाई, अन्ना
हैप्पी बर्थडे श्रद्धा। श्रद्धा तो पाई दीप तो गीत। श्रद्धा मधन, श्रद्धा जीवन, श्रद्धा एतिकी मोहरणी, एति पाखे मोर एतिकी प्रार्थना धन तते कोटि पर मैं देइथांतु। तो दीर्घायु हुआ आउ तो भल पाठ पढ़े धन मोर छुईमुई मोर कुन्नु मोर चुन्नु मोर हाथ धन गीत गा भल डांस करे ना रखे मां एतिकी एतिका तो पाखे अड़ी मोर।
बार दिन आए, बार बार दिन आए।
हाय आदित्य, हैप्पी बर्थडे। क्या घूर क्या रही हो? सचमुच में मैं ही हूँ, देवेंद्र भोजानी। हम एक्टर्स ना अलग अलग भेज बदलते रहते हैं। तुम्हारे किसी वेल विशर ने कहा कि मैं तुम्हें विश करूं, जैसे मुझे किसी के कहने की जरूरत थी। मैं तो वैसे भी विश करने ही वाला था। हैप्पी बर्थडे आदित्य, हैव अ ब्लास्ट, हैव अ ब्लास्ट, हैव अ वंडरफुल ईयर एंड अ ब्यूटीफुल लाइफ अहेड। तुम जो भी चाहती हो वो सब कुछ तुम्हें मिल जाए, उससे भी ज्यादा मिले, ऐसा मैं चाहता हूँ। गॉड ब्लेस यू। टेक केयर आदित्य, हैप्पी बर्थडे। हैप्पी बर्थडे श्रद्धा। श्रद्धा तो पाई दीप तो गीत। श्रद्धा मधन, श्रद्धा जीवन, श्रद्धा मगला माणी, आशीर्वाद कर साई बाबा हे एतिकी मोहरणी, एतिकी मोहरणी। साई बाबा पाखे मोर एतिकी प्रार्थना धन तते कोटि पर मैं देइथांतु। तो दीर्घायु हुआ आउ तो भल पाठ पढ़े धन मोर छुईमुई मोर कुनमुन मोर चुनमुन मोर हाथ धन गीत गा भल डांस करे ना रखे मां एतिकी एतिका तो पाखे अड़ी मोर।
बार दिन आए, बार बार दिन गाए, बार बार दिन आए, बार बार दिन गाए। तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू श्रद्धा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू श्रद्धा।
Hi Adi, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, my cutie Aditri. Love you and lots of blessings to you. Mwah.
Hi Aditri, wishing you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Wishing you all the success in life. I love you.
Hi Shraddhu. Shraddhu, it's your birthday. Oh my god, I really cannot believe. So day by day, you are not growing just like this, but you are growing from here also. But I'm very happy, Shraddhu, that you have a very special place in our heart. ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଟିଚର ହିସାବରେ ମୁଁ ଏହା ହିଁ କହିବି ଯେ ଶ୍ରଦ୍ଧୁ you are one of the very dedicated girl I have ever seen in my life, and you have grown in front of us, and you are such a beautiful soul. ମାନେ ସାଗର ସାର୍, ରଶ୍ମି ମ୍ୟାମ୍ କେବଳ ଗୋଟେ ସନ୍ତାନ ଜନ୍ମ କରିଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ ନୁହଁ, ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ରତ୍ନ ଜନ୍ମ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସମାଜ ପାଇଁ, ସୋସାଇଟି ପାଇଁ। and every day on the teachers day when you wish me ki sasu sir happy teachers day, I feel very honored, you know. So thank you Shraddhu for keeping the same respect till now, and every time I feel that Shraddhu is there to learn and to reciprocate the same thing, you know. God bless you Shraddhu, and this birthday is very very special for all of us, and wish you a happy birthday to you.
Hello Aditi baby. I wish you an amazing birthday with lots of love and kisses and happiness. Happy birthday dear. Love you. Mwah.
As you grow up, make sure you have more dreams than memories, more opportunities than chances, more hard work than luck, and more friends than acquaintance. May you have the very best in life. Happy birthday, Aditri, my darling Adi. Just stay healthy and prosper in your life. Happy birthday once again.
Hey Aditri, wishing you many many happy returns of the day. I wish you lots of prosperity, good fortune, and everything that you're hoping for. Have a fantastic day and an awesome life ahead. Hoping to see you soon. Bye bye.
Hi Aditri, wish you a very happy birthday, my baby. Stay blessed, stay happy, enjoy your birthday to your fullest. I wish you all the best for your future, and I know you are going to do it well. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Hey Aditri, may God bless you with all the happiness on life. Happy birthday, sweetheart. My angel, you stay blessed always. May God wishes you all your wishes come true. Thank you so much. Love you always.
Hi Aditri, wish you a very happy birthday. Do you remember me? Alright, have fun, have a great time with your parents, with your other family members, and your friends. Take care, beta. Love you. Bye bye.
Hey Aditri, a very 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 happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day, and I wish for you all that you can wish for yourself. And on your birthday, enjoy a lot and be naughty and make a lot many videos and share them with me. And your birthday gift, my advance booking for your book. I am the first one to buy it. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday, Aditri, darling. A very happy birthday to the loveliest and the liveliest little girl. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Wishing you a happy 10th. May all the blessings be showered upon you. Happiness and success be there in all that you do. Love you loads. Wishing you a very happy birthday again. Love you loads.
Hey baby, it's a special day and there's a sweet little message for you. Wherever your feet may take, whatever endeavors your hands lay on, may it always be successful. Happiest birthday! Mwah. Loads of love. May this day bring you endless joy and tons of precious memories. Have fun.
Happy birthday, dear Shradhu. I never knew that I'll be wishing you on your birthday directly from the hospital bed, but this is what 2020 has made all of us do. Let Ananya Didi be anywhere on this world, on this earth. She will only be sending you lots of love and lots of blessing. You are my shining little star, and you will always shine brighter than the sun. Keep shining, keep growing. ମୁଁ ଜଲ୍ଦି ଭଲ ହେଇକି ଆସିଲେ I'll come down to meet you and Zara. We'll definitely party together. Enjoy your day. Stay blessed.
A very, very happy birthday, my all-rounder, sweetest ever little Shraddhu. From that cute little kid, you have grown up into this smart, intelligent girl, and we all are very, very proud of you. Stay beautiful, keep smiling, always be happy, make your parents proud, and yes, always keep dancing. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Shraddhu. Lots of wishes and love. Stay blessed. God bless you, sweetheart. And dance एमती ही करो था सब बड़े बहुत खुशी रह रहा. Happy birthday.
Hi Shraddhu. Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with all joy and happiness. May all your dreams come true. Have a blast, my dear. God bless you.
Hi Adi, wish you a very, very happy birthday. May you live with full joy and happiness. I am very blessed to have you as my sister. Bye.
My sis, you are my bliss. From our mischief to our gossip is all so wonderful and beautiful. Happy birthday, Adi. May your all dreams come true. Live to the fullest and keep smiling forever. Happy birthday again.
Ta-da! I hope that you remember something from this entry, okay? But for now, a very happy birthday, Aditri. May this birthday be the best one till the date. And yes, of course, you can't forget that your birthday falls on a very good day of Christmas. So, Merry Christmas to you. But now I don't have much to say, but to share.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's a great day.
Hey Aditri.
Hi.
It's a very, very special day.
Because it's your birthday.
And you deserve the best in your life. May your life be full of sunshine,
Rainbows,
love,
laughter,
happiness,
good health,
and cheer. Because you are
gorgeous,
amazing,
wonderful,
witty,
fantastic,
kind, and loving. Time flies
when we are with you.
Happy birthday to you. We love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aditri. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Aditri. Many, many happy returns of the day and enjoy your day to the fullest.
May God bless you with all the happiness on this earth.
Happy birthday once again. Bye.
Adi, happy birthday. Have a wonderful year ahead and make many videos this year and have 1 million subscribers.
Happy birthday, Aditri. I just love the way you speak in your channel, and I would like to congratulate you for completing another spin around the sun. You are very talented, and I wish you always succeed in your life and you accomplish all your dreams and goals of your life. Lastly, I would like to say love you Hamesha. Bye.
Happy birthday, Aditri. You are the only one who has supported me so much, and you are special to me. You're extraordinary and so supportive to me. You have like helped me in everything I wanted. And you know, you have stolen my heart. And you have completed a whole 365 days. So happy birthday to you and best wishes for your own journey ahead and the day ahead. Have a good day, have a great day, and bye bye.
Hey there, Aditri. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. And you should enjoy your day with many gifts, many cakes, many sweets, and a lot of happiness. And in advance, also, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And one more thing, you should grow your YouTube channel to 1,000,000 followers. And of course, a very, very happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Aditri! Happy January! Always be happy in this special day and many more happy returns of the day. Happy birthday!
Hi Aditri, I'm Roshali. Hope you have the best birthday ever. And also, I can't give you any gifts or surprises because you know this quarantine sucks. But lots of hugs. Bye.
Dear Aditri, wish you a very happy birthday. May your life be filled with happiness and may you live long. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Phule Nani. Sajja Phula Rulu Rulia. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aditri. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aditri. Happy birthday, Aditri Didi. Happy birthday, Phule Nani.
Birthday to my fabulous friend. Have a great day and have a lot of fun. Stay safe and once again, happy birthday to you, Aditri.
Happy birthday and may God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aditri. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Aditri. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Aditri. May all your wishes come true on this auspicious day. And may you fulfill all your goals, ambitions, and make your parents proud. Have a blast. God bless you, beta. Lots of
Love and best wishes for the rest of your life. Happy birthday, Aditri!
You're a wonderful friend and an amazing person, and I hope your birthday is as sweet and wonderful as you are.
Happy birthday, baby girl. You are our little star, and all of us are so proud of you. I still remember the day I saw your first stage performance on the day of Unwind. You were just magical. Your style, your grace, everything was just perfect. More power to you, baby girl. Big, tight, chappy. Love you so much. Miss you so much. I miss your smile. I miss the hugs you used to give me on the school gate. Till we meet again. Keep shining. Keep rocking. Love you. Have fun. Bye-bye. Bye.
Aditri. Many happy returns of the day.
Oh, yeah. Happy birthday, Shraddhu. Happy birthday, Shraddha.
Many happy returns of the day. Wishing you a very happy birthday, Shraddha.
Many happy returns of the day, Shraddha.
May God bless you.
Have a great and a wonderful year ahead.
May all your dreams come true.
Love you.
Love you.
Hey Aditri, a very happy birthday to you. Lots of love and enjoy your day.
A very happy birthday to you, dear Aditri. Loads of blessings, lots of love to you from Auntie.
Happy birthday, Aditri. God bless you always.
Enjoy your day.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aditri. Thanks for supporting me and encouraging me. Thanks for being a best friend. Happy birthday, Aditri. your day. Happy birthday, Aditi. Stay blessed.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aditri. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Guglu.
हाय श्रद्धू, सबसे पहले आपको जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं आज, क्योंकि आज आपका जन्मदिन है। आप अपनी लाइफ में वो हर चीज़ पाएं जो आप चाहते हैं और वो हर चीज़ कर पाएं जिसमें आप सबसे आगे हैं। लाइक आपका वीडियो बनाना वो बहुत अच्छा है, हमेशा ऐसे वीडियो बनाते रहिए आप। खास करके मुझे आपकी वीडियोस बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं, क्योंकि उसकी डिटेलिंग्स अच्छी होती है काफ़ी। और आज अपना दिन आप इंजॉय करिए अपनी मम्मी पापा एंड अपनी फैमिली के साथ, और हमेशा ऐसे खुश रहिए। लव यू बेटा, थैंक यू।
Many happy returns of the day, dear Adi. Have a blissful year ahead.
Hey Adi, happy birthday. Have a wonderful year ahead. God bless you. Love you lots, Dhana.
Happy birthday, Aditri. Happy birthday to my beautiful niece. May God bless you and give you success throughout the life.
Happy birthday, Aditri. God bless you, dear. May God give you all the happiness of life and you keep smiling as you always do.
हैप्पी बर्थडे आदि मामा, भगवान तोर मंगल करंतु। तू बहुत भल पाठ पढ़, भल मनीष ह, हमको बहुत खुशी दे।
Adi Mama, happy birthday. God bless you. And God give you all the strength and the ability to do the best in your life. God bless you.
Hey Adi, as I call you my sweetie Aduli, from a little girl you have grown into a very, very beautiful, confident, passionate preteen. A very, very happy birthday, Dhana. God bless you always. You are my replica. You might be your mama's daughter, but you're a replica of me. You're my sweetheart. I wish you all the happiness in the world, Dhana. You are such a sweetheart. You always care about everybody, be it me, be it Bhai, be it Mosa. You are precious. You are priceless. You are the most important thing in our life. I love you always, will love you always. I just wish you bloom very successful, spread your wings, Dhana, and touch the sky, touch your dreams. Like whatever you have dreamt in your life, you achieve everything, every success. Love you always, love you always, love you always. A very happy birthday.
Happy birthday Adi. तू मत मौसा को मत बहुत भल लगे। तू आमर मल्टी टैलेंटेड झीटा। तू सबु जिनस भलरे कर, बापा मार कथा शुणु एवं सबले खुशी रह। हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन।
Hi Shradhu, happy birthday to you. May you make a lot of new videos, do share and become famous. Keep us proud. Lots of love.
God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Shraddha Didi. Happy birthday to you. I love you, Shraddha.
Wishing you a very happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. Happy birthday, Shradhu. I love you.
Happy birthday to you, Sodha. Happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day, Sodha. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू श्रद्धा। तोर जीवन सुखमय हो, तोर मंगलमय हो, एतिके हमरो शुभकामना।
Happy birthday, Shraddha. Many happy returns of the day.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू श्रद्धा। जन्मदिन शुभकामना तो जनाऊँगी, तो भविष्य उज्जवलमय हो। ଆଉ ବଡ଼ ଭଲ ମଣିଷ ହେ ଆଉ ଘରର ନାଁ ରଖେ ହେଲା ୱିଶ୍ ୟୁ ଏ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଲକ୍ ଓକେ
हाय श्रद्धु हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू अदित्री को आम समस्ते श्रद्धारे श्रद्धु बोली डाकुचु कहीं आम घर से सब छोट पिला तेणु ता ना आम श्रद्धु बोली डाकुचु अच्छा कहले देखी आपण कौन कहते सी कौन डांस करने को सी केबे मना करिछि सी केबे को गीत गाइबा को मना करिछि सी गोटे ऑलराउंडर मल्टी टैलेंटेड ताको इंडोर एक्टिविटीज कहतु आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज कहतु कि सोशल एक्टिविटीज कहतु सबुथि पूरा सी पारंगम परफेक्ट पूरापूरी तेणु आज दिन में मुझे मात्र भगवान निकट में प्रार्थना करुच्ची तार चलापथ पुष्पित हो एवं सबुदिन सी एमती हस खुशी आनंद रे रहू धन्यवाद
हाय श्रद्धु हाय मो गेली मामा तू आज चाहूँ केते बड़ हो गलुणु तोर सबुठ भल कौन कौन जानचु तू सबुठ समस्त बड़ स्नेही तू एत बड़ हेलुणु सीना तोर से पिलालिया मुझे जाइनी से पिला भाया सब अच्छु से समस्त यही गुण चाहिए भल लगे हो तू तो मामा जमी सर्वगुण संपन्ना तू सेमती बड़ हेले सर्वगुण संपन्न होगा चेष्टा करू सब मामा ठू सब कथा शिखबू आउ से आम आशीर्वाद करुचु सब तू भल गीत गा भल पाठ पढ़े भल नाच करे सबुथिरे मान ऑलराउंडर हो जा तू भगवान निरोगी रखतु तोते आ समस्त आशीर्वाद तू सुखी रह
Hi Shraddhu, happy birthday. Wishing you a day full of energy, surprises and happiness. Your mama papa are as proud as they can be. I wish you get all the success and happiness this year. Love you champ. Mwah.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू श्रद्धा भल पाठ पढ़िबू समस्त को हस खुशी रे रखिबू श्रद्धा रे रखिबू भलरे रहिबू
Hi Shraddha, happy birthday. May God bless you on your birthday and every day after.
Hi Shraddha, I know today is your birthday and probably this year is little unique. You didn't get an opportunity to step out. For the right reason, stay indoors, enjoy your special day with family. Happy birthday and God bless you. Bye bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू श्रद्धा तोर जन्मदिन में बहुत अनेक अनेक शुभेच्छा जगन्नाथ तोर मंगल करंतु दीर्घायुष करंतु तो भल पाठ पढ़ी मनीष हो आमर आशीर्वाद तो प्रति रही
Many happy returns of the day Shraddha. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Adunani. Happy birthday to you.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Sadhu. May God bless you. Your all dreams comes true.
Hi Adunani, I wish you many happy birthday to you. Bye.
Happy birthday Adu.
Happy birthday.
May God bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Again wish you happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Sadhu.
Happy birthday Sadhu.
Bye.
And I wish.
Bye.
Hello Adi. Happy birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Adi. Hope you have a wonderful year ahead. Keep working hard, follow your passion, and stay happy always.
Hi Shraddha, many happy returns of the day. Love you, bacha. And this is your day, so enjoy.
Hello Shraddha, have a wonderful day and many happy returns of the day.
Bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे यू श्रद्धा तोर भविष्य उज्जवलमय हो भगवान ते दीर्घायु करंतु
Happy birthday you, Shraddha. God bless you. And thanks.
Hello Shraddha,
Happy birthday to you. You are such a beautiful, lovely, and creative girl. I am always waiting for your video to come to me. I am wishing you every success in life. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ଶ୍ରାଦ୍ଧୁ କଣ କରୁଛୁ ତୁ ଆରେ ତୋ ଜନ୍ମଦିନ ପରା ଆଜି ଆଉ କଣ କେତେବେଳେ କେକ୍ ଫେକ୍ କାଟୁଛୁ ଆଉ ମାମା କଣ କରୁଛି ହାପି ବାର୍ଥଡେ ଟୁ ୟୁ ହାପି ବାର୍ଥଡେ ଟୁ ୟୁ ହାପି ବାର୍ଥଡେ ଶ୍ରାଦ୍ଧୁ ହାପି ବାର୍ଥଡେ ଆମ ଶ୍ରାଦ୍ଧୁ
Mama, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Adi. God bless you.
তোর জন্মদিনের বহুত বহুত শুভেচ্ছা ভগবান তোর মঙ্গল করন্তু জীবনের বহুত উন্নতি হেউ হ্যাপি বার্থডে টু ইউ হ্যাপি বার্থডে টু ইউ
श्रद्धा भगवान को मंगल करंतु एई जन्मदिन रे जगन्नाथ बार प्रार्थना करुछि जे परिवार एवं समस्ते खुशी रहतु एवं आसंता 2021 मसीहा समस्त मंगलकर हो शुभकर भल पाठ पढ़ भल पिला हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू
Hi Shraddha, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my dear. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday Shraddha.
Happy birthday, Shraddha.
Happy birthday, Shraddha. God bless you, my little child.
I wish you happy birthday to you. I wish you happy birthday Shraddha.
Happy birthday, Shraddha.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Shraddha. Happy birthday to you. तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Shraddha. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shraddha. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Shraddha, wish you a very very happy birthday. Sending you lots of love on your special day. Have fun. Bye bye.
बार बार दिन ये आए बार बार दिल ये गाए बार बार दिन ये आए बार बार दिल ये गाए तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. Happy birthday to Shraddha. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Adi.
Happy birthday, Shraddha. तोते भगवान कोटि परमायु दियंतु सेमती हस हस मुहटा सबुबले थाउ बढ़िया डांस कर बड़ मान कथा शुणिबू बापा माँ कथा शुणिबू आउ थे हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे दी. बार बार दिन ये आए बार बार दिल ये गाए तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे दी.
Dear Adi Mama, many happy returns of the day.
Your birthday is really different for me. I feel proud for you the way you are becoming more knowledgeable and smart. I love your temperament and keenness in knowing new things, along with the smartness you have inherited from your parents. Love you and wish you a very happy and memorable birthday.
हाय आदि केमती अच्छु तोर आज जन्मदिन आज तते बहुत बहुत शुभेच्छा और शुभकामना ठीक है मो धन बहुत पाठ पढ़ भल मनीष हम समस्त ना रख बापा माँ दादा पापा मामा काका समस्ते खुशी हे ठीक है तू बहुत पाठ पढ़ भल मनीष एतिक आम अजा आई दी जनकर कामना तो पाई ठीक है हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू आदि
श्रद्धि जन्मदिन शुभेच्छा बहुत बहुत शुभेच्छा बाबा तते दीर्घायु करंतु भल पाठ पढ़ी भल मनुष्य ना रखिबू हला आज कार जन्मदिन जानिचु आज से गुरुजी आमर चंद्रभानु सतपथींकर जन्मदिन तांकर जिमिति देश विदेश रे ना रही तू सेमती आमर ना रखु से ना तते श्रद्धा बोली समस्त श्रद्धि प्रिय पात्र ही तू आमर देश विदेश ना रखू घरे समस्त प्रिय पात्र ही तते भल पाया भगवान तते आशीष दिंतु आ तोर दीर्घायु कामना आम करुचु विद्या बुद्धि तोर परमा जय श्री साई
हैप्पी बर्थडे आदि जरा देख आज ना दीदी रो बर्थडे कदे हैप्पी बर्थडे
ए बाबू धना श्रद्धु माय लिटिल प्रिंसेस wish you very happy birthday my angel, happy birthday Sonu, love you loads of blessings, love you. I know you are very talented, बस टिके तते हार्ड वर्क करबा को पड़िबो तो हार्ड वर्क कले तू जानिछु तू कोन करि परिबु एंड डू रिमेंबर वन थिंग रेस्पेक्ट योर एल्डर्स सब बेले समस्त ख्याल रखिबू समस्त को भल पाइबू समस्त को रेस्पेक्ट दबू आउ जो समस्ते कहती जे मो आपण झी बढ़िया डांस करुच्ची आपण झी समस्त सहित बहुत बढ़िया बिहेव करूँ तो इमेजिन कर इतने खुशी लगे पापा मामा को बहुत खुशी लगे तो सब बेले हमको प्राउड फील करचु भगवान करंतु एमती ही तो सब बेले था तते सब सक्सेस मिलू वी आर ऑलवेज विथ यू पापा मामा लव्स यू सो मच पापा मामा ऑलवेज विथ यू लव यू सोना टेक केयर
Hi my cute little pie, my cute little angel, wishing you a very happy birthday. Love you a lot. I know you are very talented. Just one thing you need to do, you just need to do a lots of hard work to get whatever you want, whatever you wish for. Love you a lot. Keep smiling always. Thank you.
Lots of blessings from Papa and Mama. Love you Babu, Sonu. Bye.
तू हसिले हसुछु आमे तू कांदिले कांदुछु आमे तो खुशी रे खुशी हेबु आमे तो दुख रे भांगी जीवु आमे तोर पदे कथारे लुचिची खुशी केते जानी पारिबुनी तू तोर पदे कथारे लुचिची खुशी केते जानी पारिबुनी तू सेथि पाई आज कहूचु आमे गीतरे हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू आदित्री आदित्री Aditri, 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 Aditri. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Aditri,
My little princess, wish you a very happy birthday. I love you so much. My Shraddhu, love you.
Hey guys, it's me Aditri. Welcome back to the channel Aditri Speaks. I'd like to thank my elders, my parents, my teachers and my loving friends for showering their blessings. This literally was the best birthday gift ever. Yep, it was the best surprise gift. And at the starting of the video, there was a clip of my favorite TV actor, Mr. Devan Bhojani, aka Anna Sahib. Yet my parents knew that I liked this actor and so requested him to wish me on my birthday. Thank you so much, Papa and Mama. I love you. And when I saw the clips of my teachers, I literally missed them because it was like seeing them after ages. Yep, seeing them after ages. It was so delightful, I must say. And when I saw the clips of my friends, I really missed the chit chats and fights we used to have, right? And not only this, I also got to see the clips of my relatives whom I haven't seen from ages. In this entire pandemic time, I haven't met them even once. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And oh yes, so sorry I forgot. But another thing is, at the end you also must have seen my Dada's song. Oh yeah, it literally made me cry. Like nearly made me cry, as it was really nice. I got really emotional while seeing this video. It was like, oh my goodness, I don't have words to say about this video. And thank you once again, guys. I really value and respect your advices you've given me, your pieces of advice. Thank you once again.